I'm going to visit Sulaiman-Too, and Sulaiman-Too is a UNESCO World Site, Heritage World Site, and that's the very first site. In Kyrgyzstan, I think 2009. There's a different stories behind it. People come here for headache, or if there's any other problem.
The mountain is linked to the prophet Solomon, known locally as Sulaiman. Many believe he once visited this place, and for centuries, people have come here on pilgrimage seeking blessings, healing, and good fortune. As you explore the mountain, you'll find ancient petroglyphs carved into the rocks, some dating back to the Bronze Age. These carvings show animals and human figures, giving us a glimpse into early life in this region. There are also several caves on the mountain. One of them contains the Sulaiman-Too Museum, where visitors can learn about the area's archaeology, history, and traditions. Halfway up the mountain stands Babur's Mosque, believed to be connected to Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur, the founder of the Mughal Empire. The mosque offers not only spiritual value but also incredible views of the city below. Climbing Sulaiman-Too is a memorable experience. As you walk the paths to the top, you'll see locals performing traditional rituals, believing the mountain brings health and blessings.
Drinking iron again. I'm thirsty. I'm here at a new terminal at the bus station, waiting for the bus from this terminal to Andijan, and I think the same bus will take me to the other side to cross border. And that's how that bus station looks. There are buses on this side and another side as well, so it's kind of hard to tell people where you're going and which bus number it is. But somebody said that bus will come here, and I'll just wait. Time is almost 2 o'clock, so I was here at 12. Bus came at 1. It took 1 hour. The bus driver is checking our passport now, and everybody, the Uzbek people have a card, and the foreign people, whoever, they are giving him the passport, so he's just writing down every passport number and all the information. So bus number is 777 from the new bus terminal station in Osh, going to Andijan. So again, there were other people who were boarding, so we collected all the passports from them and write down every single passport number. That side is really full. Luckily I got front seat. So we are now in a passport area. We crossed Kyrgyzstan and now we're in Uzbekistan. Went through the immigration, now waiting for this. Our bag will be scanned. I think the bus process is easy because of you follow the crowd, and they also help you out to go through this all immigration and everything. So we are just waiting for when we finish all the passport and everything. I think he's going to sit on the machine and scan every single bag and then go from there. So basically I am in Uzbekistan right now. So I just crossed the Uzbekistan border, and immigration and custom was, so easy. And through this bus, like the same bus I took from the Osh, Kyrgyzstan, same bus we are going to Andijan. And from there I'm going to go to Tashkent, but I'm going to spend night in Andijan. The reason being is going to this spending a night here. I will try to go to the place of Babur, the first Mughal emperor. He became a king at the age of 12, and he was born in this city, Andijan. And then, I don't know, he went through Tajikistan, Afghanistan, to India, crossing Pakistan, and he conquered that one. And he's a very famous one too. So that's the history behind it. So that's how Uzbekistan looks. I had a little bit of money which I changed on the Kyrgyzstan side. The bus driver even goes there and he changed his money, and some other people as well. So I just follow the crowd. So ticket for this bus is 100 som, which is very cheap, and then you don't have to, after you exit, then you have to negotiate with the taxi driver and all those things. So at least that, it's a hassle-free so far. I think bus is recommended, but you have to wait 1 hour, 1 or 2 hours, depending on what time you get there.
Thunder calling down my name. Why don't you hear me wander? Ooh.
So the road condition is nice so far. I see cornfield, cotton, and this looks like agriculture area.
Shining just like sun. Why don't you hear me wander? Ooh, ooh. Tell me, river, where your current flows. Why don't you hear me wander? Ooh, ooh. Oh, stop your freight train. Let a lost man ride. Why don't you hear me wonder? Fare you well, darling, ain't coming back no more. Why don't you hear me wonder?
Tashkent is 383 kilometers from here, and Andijan is to our left side.
Who been whispering since I've been gone so long? Freedom calling.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. Water grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with truths. Ain't no inches in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in a vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak, let the moment stretch. Learn peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift. But the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. Why the healing don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back.